to another property tour. My name is Svetlana and this is LiveAlgarve Bespoke Realty. And today I would like to present to you this beautiful estate in Mexilhoeira Grande, 4-bedroom on a very generous plot, 5 hectares, built in 2009, 429 square meters, a very private estate. And the location of this property is about 25 minutes away from Lagos, 20 minutes away from Alvar and the nearest beach, 8 minutes away from nearest shopping, 1 hour from international airport, and under 3 hours to Lisbon for any cultural events, shows, concerts. Now, orientation of this property, it enjoys the panoramic views from the east, beautiful sea views from the south, and the peaceful Monchique from north. And the way the villa is designed, that it enjoys the sunrises in the morning and it's sunlit throughout the day. And more about the property. The villa is situated on the top of the hill and it is enjoying this unobstructed, beautiful open views. The villa is split over 2 levels. On the ground level, as you enter, there is a garage, there is a gym, there is 2 bedrooms, 1 shared bathroom, open concept kitchen, living and dining, with the outdoor private terrace. Next level has its own private driveway to the main entrance. And the main floor, it enjoys this open concept living, dining, and a kitchen. There is a chef's kitchen with a pantry and laundry inside. And also there is a primary ensuite with a spa-like bathroom and a huge walk-in closet. And 1 more bedroom on this level. The beauty of this property is exclusively private. It enjoys these open views. It has this mature Mediterranean garden and beautiful outdoor Algarvian living. Also, I would like to mention a few very important features about this property. The villa has a huge wraparound terrace with its beautiful stainless steel railings. It has a borehole, it has a water purification system, it has 24 solar panels, it has a private asphalt road with lights, it has a surround sound system, CCTV, alarm, it has fiber internet, and one of the interesting feature is even a sauna with an ocean view. If you enjoy privacy, open views, and tranquility, please reach out and I will be happy to show you this property. I thank you for taking this video tour with us. It has been cheers from the Algarve and I will see you on the next one.